Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first way is to block a number which is saved on your contacts, and the second is kind of manual. Of course I'll show you both, and I'd like to start with the contacts. So let's open your contact list, tap on the contact you'd like to block and pick the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on block numbers, and your device will ask you if you really want to block this number because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let's tap on block, and as you can see here we've got the information. What's more, we've got this characteristic icon which will show us that this number is blocked. Of course we can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So as I said, the second way to block a number is manual, and here it doesn't really matter if you'll be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see we just entered the section of our blacklist. Here we've got it, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. And the manual way to block a number is to simply tap on add a number here, and as you can see right now we can enter it freely and tap on block, or paste it of course, because you can simply copy the number and it will immediately appear right here, which simply means that it is obviously blocked. What's more, we've got the option unknown, which may be quite useful because your device, after of course turning it on just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to the number. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.